Drone enthusiasts, get ready to flip your expectations. Rumors are abuzz that DJI is gearing up to unveil its latest innovation, the DJI Flip. While the company remains tight-lipped, clues from FCC filings suggest this compact marvel is nearing its grand debut, possibly at CES 2025. Let's dive into what makes this rumored drone a game-changer. The DJI Flip is said to be a portable drone designed with safety and simplicity in mind. Early leaks hint at propeller guards, a thoughtful feature to protect both the drone and its surroundings. This makes it an ideal choice for beginner pilots navigating tight spaces or tricky terrains. Unlike the immersive FPV experience of the DJI Neo, the Flip might take a more traditional approach with its controller, perfect for those who value ease of use over adrenaline-filled flights. Now, let's talk power. The Flip is rumored to pack a larger 3,110 mAh battery, a significant leap from the Neo's setup. This upgrade could extend its flight time to over 20 minutes, giving you more airtime for capturing cinematic moments or exploring expansive areas without frequent recharges. In fact, this puts it in direct competition with the DJI Avata 2, known for its impressive 23-minute flights. While official specs remain under wraps, whispers about the Flip's camera system are intriguing. It's expected to push boundaries with enhanced image quality and potentially multi-axis stabilization. Positioned as a mid-range option in DJI's lineup, the Flip could cater to hobbyists and semi-professionals seeking stunning visuals without breaking the bank. Portability is another hallmark of the Flip. Staying true to DJI's legacy of travel-friendly designs, this drone promises to be lightweight yet robust. The larger battery might add a bit of heft, but it's a small trade-off for the enhanced performance and extended flight times. With CES 2025 just around the corner, anticipation is building. The Flip could fill a sweet spot between entry-level models like the Neo and high-end offerings like the Avata 2. Whether you're a casual flyer or a budding content creator, the DJI Flip might just be the versatile drone you've been waiting for. What are your thoughts on DJI's rumored Flip drone? Could this be your next go-to gadget for aerial adventures? Or are you holding out for something even bigger in DJI's lineup? Share your predictions in the comments, and stay tuned as we explore the exciting future of drone technology.